In this video, I will show you how to clear cache on your iPhone step by step. Over time, your iPhone stores a lot of temporary files, cookies, and cached data from browsers and apps. This can take up a large amount of storage and even slow down your device. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to remove this unnecessary data and free up space on your iPhone. If you use your iPhone daily for browsing or apps, cache builds up without you even noticing. So it is a good idea to clear it regularly to keep your phone running smoothly. Let's start with clearing cache from your browser. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down until you reach the Apps section. Tap on Apps and now scroll down again until you find Safari. Tap on Safari to open its settings. Inside Safari settings, scroll down towards the bottom. Here you will see an option called Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it. Now you will see options to choose a time range. You can select the last hour, today, or all history. If you want to completely clear everything, choose all history. You can also select all profiles and choose whether to close all tabs. After selecting your preferred options, tap on Clear History at the bottom. This will remove browsing history, cookies, and cached data from Safari. Now let me show you a more detailed way to remove specific website data. Stay in the Safari settings and scroll all the way down. Tap on Advanced. Then tap on Website Data at the top. Here you will see a list of all websites storing data on your phone. You can see which websites are using the most storage. If you want to remove all of them, tap Remove All Website Data at the bottom. If you only want to remove a specific website, simply swipe left on it and tap Delete. This is useful if you want to keep some data but remove others. If you are finding this helpful so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel DelfStack for more simple and useful iPhone tutorials like this. Now let's move on to clearing cache from apps. Go back to the main settings screen, scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, find and tap on iPhone Storage. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device along with how much storage they are using. Tap on any app that is taking a lot of space. Inside the app settings, you will see an option called Offload app. Tap on Offload app. This removes the app but keeps its documents and data. After offloading, tap Reinstall app. This installs a fresh version of the app without the old cache and temporary files. You will notice that the app size is reduced after reinstalling. This method is one of the most effective ways to clear app cache on an iPhone because iOS does not provide a direct clear cache button for most apps. You can repeat this process for other apps that are using a lot of storage. Keep in mind that apps like social media or video editing apps tend to store a lot of cache, so clearing them can free up a significant amount of space. Also, restarting your iPhone occasionally helps clear temporary system cache and keeps performance smooth. If this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel DelfStack and stay tuned for more easy step-by-step tech guides.